Hello everybody, my name is Marcus Van Eventer. I just finished an internship at the Research and Business Development Center, or the RBDC. There I was able to conduct a feasibility study for a marketing agency out of Idaho Falls called the Strategic Social Partners. I chose to do this internship because I saw or heard many people speak good things about it, and I was able to connect with a lot of people who were able to leverage their experience here in finding greater internships and full-time employment at companies such as Goldman Sachs, Vanguard, and Boeing. And so I felt like this was a great way to kind of jumpstart my career and get valuable experience in working towards my goals. So to get this internship, I had to go on the BYU Idaho website and look up ALPS. And there they have a list of many projects that I was interested in and be able to apply for and got a position as a junior analyst. And so the things that I loved about this internship was the real world experience that it provided. One, I was able to do in-depth research. Two, I was able to create surveys and distribute surveys to agencies. Three, was taking that data from the surveys we collected and being able to analyze that on the marketing industry. But also was the teamwork involved, being able to communicate and work together and kind of bounce ideas off of one another was a great experience. One thing that I would recommend for everybody is taking B401 with Brother Fuller, because it was there that I learned about financial spreadsheets, and that helped a ton in our final product. And then one thing that I really wouldn't say enjoyed, but I found helpful was being able to work on deadlines. Now this was real world experience with real clients who needed things done. And so it wasn't so much a grade, but it was a matter of being able to produce in times of struggle and stress, which I thought was invaluable, and I think that'll help me as I move forward in pursuing careers. And so this was some of the data that we were able to collect on 618 agencies. Of those 618, 84 were able to take our survey. And from those, we were able to find out who was interested in this network that the strategic social partners were looking to create. And so, like I said, teamwork was amazing. I loved the team that I worked with. It was great to know these people and to work with them and see everybody's strengths and weakness and how we can play off one another. If I could recommend anything to anybody, it would be to do an internship at the Research and Business Development Center, because there's all different types of projects. I think there's something for everyone, depending on what your major is and what you're looking to go into. And the skills that you'll learn here will become invaluable in any workforce that you see yourself in the future. And so that's the presentation. Thank you for watching.